Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Meta Business Suite login error code 10. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your account, app, and browser. 6.1 Clear local storage and session cache. Navigate to business.facebook.com in your desktop internet browser. Right-click anywhere on the loading page screen and select Inspect to open the developer console. Click on the Application or Storage tab located on the console panel menu layout. Select Local Storage from the sidebar drop-down row and click the Clear or Delete All icon represented by a circle with a diagonal line. Clear your overall browser history and cookies before attempting a clean login session. Fix 2. Force reset the mobile app configuration. Close the Meta Business Suite app completely on your mobile smartphone. Open your phone settings, navigate to apps or applications and select Meta Business Suite. Tap on Storage and click the Clear Cache or Clear Data buttons. Uninstall the application from your phone entirely, reboot your handset framework, and perform a fresh download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Fix 3. Turn off restrictive browser add-ons and VPNs. Open your desktop web browser configuration panel and select the Extensions Manage row. Disable any active ad blockers, tracking script filters, or privacy shielding plugins. Toggle off any desktop virtual private network like VPN software or corporate firewall links. Open a new window using your incognito or private browsing mode to run a clean login stream test. Fix 4. Complete mandatory account two-factor authentication. Log into your standard personal Facebook account profile that is linked to your business page layout. Go to your primary security and page settings hub to verify your two-factor authentication status. Complete the setup by linking an authenticator application or registering a verified phone number shortcut. Return to the Meta Business Tool panel and complete any pending account verification prompts displayed on the screen. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.